Welcome to the instructional video for the protocol to complete the Skittles experiment. Make sure you first fully understand the study question, formulate the hypotheses, and identify the independent and dependent variable before you start the experiment itself. In this study, you will need a package with original Skittles flavors containing red, orange, green, yellow, and purple Skittles. You will need a paper plate, a blindfold, and make sure your data table is readily available. You also need at least one willing test subject to work with you on this experiment. First, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water as you are handling food items. Sort out 3 Skittles of each color on a paper plate. Next, the test subject needs to be blindfolded so they cannot tell what Skittles they are handed. The handler will now hand individual Skittles to the test subject, and the test subject will call out what color they think it is. Make sure you know what color you are handing the test subject, and that you give the Skittles in a random manner. As the test subject calls out the color, the handler records if the test subject is correct or incorrect. Avoid informing the test subject if they are getting the colors right or wrong, as this can introduce a bias to our test results. It is incredibly important to record the data correctly. Your data will become part of a larger data set, and if everyone is not following the same protocol, our findings cannot be considered valid. When all the Skittles have been consumed, tally the total number of correct and incorrect in the data table. Next, the test subject and handler will switch roles and conduct the experiment again. We need more than 2 data points to be confident in our results. So next, you need to share your data with other students. When you have gathered a complete data set from sharing with other students, start your analysis.